Okay, this is the Gerber Ayako front flipper. This is my first front flipper. 7CR steel. Frame lock. Japanese inspired blade. It's rounded versus the American style that is at a point. If I can get it to focus. Titanium nitride coating for added corrosion resistance. It feels pretty lightweight for being a frame lock, but also considering that it's pretty thin profile. Just slightly off center. Flow through design, front flipper. This is my first front flipper, so I'm not too used to manipulating or using them. I like the logo on the pivot. I do not like that carry clip. I like deep carry clips, I guess. Solid lockup on the frame. It looks like it's tip down only carry. Non-reversible right side only clip. It's a very beautiful blade. No lanyard hole. This is adhesive, I think. So, yeah, so there you go. No jumping. Well, I guess there's jumping there. It's very non-aggressive. So this is the Gerber, I already forgot the name of it, Ayako. I forgot to weigh it in ounces. 3.77. 3.77. Maybe I should do three weighings. 3.77. Okay, I can get that to show up there. Come on now. 3.77.